In a remarkable feat that seems straight out of a science fiction movie, China has unveiled its latest engineering marvel, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. This extraordinary structure, costing a staggering $15 billion and taking 9 years to complete. It is the longest sea-crossing bridge in the world, is now hailed as one of the 7 wonders of the world. The most amazing thing is that its construction involved overcoming over 10 global technical challenges, reclaiming 513 acres of land, and creating 4 artificial islands. It is the longest mileage in the construction history of the world, the largest investment and the most difficult construction of the cross-sea bridge. This project marks a historic milestone, adopted for the innovative 3-in-1 construction method, comprising a bridge, island, and tunnel. The main bridge section stretches 19 miles, boasting a width of 108 feet and a total pavement area of 7 million square feet. Designed for a speed of 62 miles per hour, it incorporates a 4-mile submarine tunnel featuring 18,000 feet of immersed tube tunnels. What sets this bridge apart is not just its length and complexity, but also its unparalleled safety measures. Unmatched globally, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge can withstand an earthquake of magnitude 8, a typhoon of magnitude 16, and even a flood tide with a recurrence interval of 300 years. This astounding project reflects China's dedication to infrastructure development. The completion of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is a testament to China's prowess in pushing the boundaries of engineering and reshaping the world's landscape with awe-inspiring achievement.